Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you ClickApps in ClickUp.com. So what we have to do first is log into our ClickUp account, and once we're in here in this workspace, we want to focus on bottom left part of your screen, where are your initials or ideally your avatar. You're gonna click in there and click on ClickApps. ClickApps are basically integrated programs or integrated apps inside of your ClickUp. They are here defaultly, and it's up to you if you want to take advantage on them or not. For example, at the moment, my email ClickUp is not yet activated, and I can simply activate it just by clicking on activate. All those little bars are here for activating or disabling these apps. Those are all pre-made. Those all belong to ClickUp as it is. You can also create an integrations, but that's something different. They are not yet introduced in the ClickUp or in your ClickUp account. You can but you can connect them without any problem. You can activate them like GitHub for Team or GitLab or Zapier or Make. Obviously Zapier is just a third party, I would say. And yeah, ClickApps are very useful. You can track time, automations. If you don't know what you know what you're looking for, but you can't really find it, take advantage of this search engine and you will get where you really need to be. So if you need to, for example, check a real-time view into who's online, you see, you can just use pools and you'll be set. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.